Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a jungle text effect in Canva, or how to create a jungle text effect. So first of all, here we go to create. We'll have to need a blank design. Let's say that this is our blank design. I want to change the to black, and let's say that we're gonna add a text or a heading. So we add a text, add a heading. Let's say it as jungle. Make it bigger, like very big. There we go. So we're gonna search for a particular font called Zume Rough Bold. So we can see like it's like a Last of Us thing here. And last thing we would want to do is like go to elements, trees, like a trees in the jungle, or um yep, put this here, here, maybe another three here, and maybe uh, be this tree. Think this would look better for a jungle. Press this. You should press the image and put the color of the image to black. Edit. Color to black. So we would just want to get like a random thing here. So maybe let's find for a better one. Let's say elements, trees. Here we found a black one. So we just delete this, delete this, delete this. Put this in here. And voila. Now we have a jungle text effect in Canva. That's how you create a jungle text effect in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope that you have learned a lot. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little button for more Canva tips and tricks to come.